In the previous lecture, we have converted 2D drawing of AutoCAD into a 3D building. This was a 2D drawing and we have converted this into this building in the previous lecture, that is lecture number 7. And in today's lecture, we will insert doors and windows. You can see there is no doors and windows in this building. Now we can insert doors and windows in this building. We can change the height of windows. We can change the height of doors. We can also change the height of doors and windows from the floor. All will these things will be covered in this lecture. Before starting today's lecture, I want to tell you on this channel you can learn various electrical design softwares like Etap, Big Silent Power Factory, PV System, Dialux Evo, and Autodesk. In addition to these softwares, you can also get various technical details related to electrical design engineering. If you want to connect with me, you can join my WhatsApp group or a Telegram group. The link of the group is given in the description. Let us start the today's lecture. First of all, we will see that this is our 2D drawing, and here is the window, and another window is here, and another window is here, and another window is here. Here the window is sliding window. You can see there are, this is a sliding window. I can zoom it. This is a sliding window. Okay, same is here. This is also sliding window. This is a plan window. This is not sliding one. I think this is also a plan one. Okay, first of all, from here we will go to apertures. This is the aperture tab. Click on the apertures. Then there are two options. One is push and active aperture and another is draw new aperture. I will teach you both these things, how you can use these things. First of all, I do not measure the length of this window, so I will take first draw aperture. When I click draw aperture, here are the windows, different type of windows. You can select here, click on there. You will see there are different type of windows. You can see windows and doors, three different types of windows and doors are here. You can choose what you want. Suppose we will take this window or any window. You can take from this. Suppose we take this window. Okay, and click here. We have to insert the window. You can click here to here. Now the window has been inserted. Now we can see in the 3D model. This is the window. You can see here. This is the window inserted. Okay, now we have to insert second window. The first window was 1.5 meters. We can measure the second window. What is the width? What is the length of the window? It is also 1.5 meters. So I can use this another option, that is push and active aperture, to insert the window. If you want to insert this window, same window here, you can do one thing. You can select this window, then go to position and apertures, then come to here and just click here, and the window is inserted. Now you can see this is the window inserted here. Okay, I will show how to modify the window, how to you can adjust its height, change its height, width, everything I will show in this video. You have to wait, you have to see this video completely. Second window is inserted here. We have to insert second window here. I can take draw new aperture again and insert a window here, and I can take here again draw aperture. I have inserted one type of window, all the positions at all windows. Now windows are clear. Now we can see the 3D. This is the 3D. This is the windows. Now windows are, I have inserted all the windows. Now we will insert doors. Now we can go here, select it and select the door. Door is selected. Now draw aperture. I can put door here. Okay, door is inserted here, another door is here. I can take again, I can take here, another door is here. First of all, I will measure the length of this door. It is 0.75. Okay, one thing, I will select this and then position aperture, and now door is inserted here, but you can see this door is oversized. This is not exactly the position of the door, so I can select it and right click and scale. Then I will scale this as per requirement. I can scale from this side also, it is there. Okay, now it is okay. You can see, 1 minute, I see, right click, scale. Now it is okay. uh, Now it is okay. Yeah, it is okay now. We can take another door here, draw aperture and click here, then here, and we can draw another door here. Okay, there is an in door. No, all the doors have been inserted. Now we will see how is our 3D drawing. We have to see doors. This is, see, this is the door, this is a door, this is a door inserted, this is the door inserted, this is the door inserted, this is the door, this is the door. Okay, now if you want this door to be opened on inside, it is presently at this position. You can see here, and from on inner side it can be opened for outside. If you want this door it should be open for inside, then for that what we can do, we have to click on this door, right click and then rotate, and rotate this door like this. Okay, now you can see the door will open on inside. Now, oh, 1 minute. Now the door will inside. This is the inside opening of the door. Okay, similarly you can change other doors as you want. Now we have to see if we want to adjust the height of the window. Suppose we can work on this window. You have to select the window, click on this window, and the window will be selected, and all the details will be shown here. This is the height of the window. If you want to change the height of the window, suppose this is the height of the window is 1.5, you want to change it 2 meters, you can change it, enter. The window is changed, the height of window is changed. If you want to change the width of window, you can enter, width of window is also changed. Second, this thing is ceiling height, sill height. This is a sill height, that is the height from floor to lower edge of the window. Okay, it is 0.8. If you want to decrease it, you want to keep 0.250. Now it is positioned. Third thing is frame height. Frame height is that the height of the frame, the window. Suppose this is the window's frame. If you want to change the this width of the frame, height, thickness of the frame, you can change it. It is 0.120. If you want to kept it 0.05, enter. You can see now the frame height is reduced. Okay, you can click also here. There is a one more other dimensions, you can click it. Then there is a first modulation, second modulation, and transposition here. Transposition means, I can show you, 1 minute. There is a transposition width, and second is the transposition. Transposition is the this part. Suppose I do not want this part, I want a complete without this portion, so I can keep it this transposition as 0. I can 0 it and enter. Oh, I have not selected, so we had to select the first window, then transposition to 0, enter. Okay, see now window. This window is this type. We can position it also. We can bring it down. We can kept the ceiling at 0.250. Now we can insert 2. Here I can 2, and it is okay now. So I have also modified the second window also here. Now you can see from here, you can see inside of the this what is inside of the room. You can see also here from inside into the inside of the room. Now we will modify these two windows. If you want to bring it down, you can select it and then change this ceiling height to 1.0.1, enter. Same you can do for this one window. You can change it to 0.1, enter. Now you have seen how we have modified the windows.